If you guys want to know what's coming for Bitcoin and altcoins, if you're holding any crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, you guys need to make sure that you watch this video to the end of it, because nobody is going to talk about these. We're going to go look at and analyze everything. What happened in the last bull run when BTC dominance percentage topped, and then what happened to price of Bitcoin, and then how much more it rallied, and what happened to altcoins. We're going to talk about all of those. So make sure, if you guys appreciate this kind of content, hit that like button first. It takes you a second just to support the channel, and also subscribe, and make sure that you hit the notification button and you join the free Telegram group. Okay, I just posted a member video. All the members, go ahead and watch that. I talked about what can happen. I'm gonna explain what happened in the previous bull run. We previously touched about what happened, but I'm gonna get into more details, and I'm gonna talk about how good and bad market can get, short term and long term. Okay, so now first, for the new subscribers that just started watching this video and found me on YouTube, USDT dominance, if you guys do not know, USDT, every time USDT dominance, when it goes higher, BTC and crypto goes down, and the opposite. Okay, and after 7 years, that's why I pointed at this, 7 years support broken around here, you guys see it. You continue this line all the way for the last 3 cycles since 2017 December. We had never broken it. Even if we had broken it, very like for one or 2 days, we went back up and we saw significantly Bitcoin started going down. Okay, so and around 73, 74,000, when I warned you guys that we are getting so close to top for Bitcoin, at least short term, you guys saw that around 74, 73,000 dollars when USDT was here. Bitcoin USDT started going higher, and you guys saw that BTC kept going down for 7 months, going up and down, and until it broke. And I got a lot more bullish since then, and I let you guys know. Okay, so if I'm short-term cautious and I warned you guys, it does not mean that I'm bearish. As I said, every time I am holding my altcoins and I'm not selling anything. Okay, but short-term we can see altcoins going down, and we're going to talk about that in this video. So BTC dominance percentage topped around January 8th in the last bull run, and around November 22nd of 2024, which was last month, right? And then USDT dominance, let's look at where USDT dominance was in the last bull run. As I said, around January 8th of 2021, and let's look at where USDT dominance was. Okay, previously I talked about BTC dominance, but we're gonna also talk about that too and match everything together. You guys see that? I'm gonna put this aside since you guys know that we're talking about this circle area. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. We bottomed for USDT dominance literally when we topped for BTC dominance. Okay, January actually 2nd we topped. We still rallied for another week, and it started dropping for BTC dominance the last bull. Okay, this is the BTC dominance. You guys saw that significantly dropped. It started going zigzag up and down, and I want to let you guys know how similar they look. So you guys see that we topped for, in this bull run so far, we topped for BTC dominance. At the same time, this is where we topped for Bitcoin. And then we saw that a lot of altcoins started rallying. That's why I'm just going to put this aside as well. We started dropping heavily for BTC dominant, and you guys know that how altcoins started rallying. But you guys see that this zigzag can happen same as what happened in here. So we can have almost, and let's see, since we almost bottom and started zigzagging, if you want to go approximately from February 1st to April, we're talking about a couple of months, more than a couple of months, we were just going sideways. Within this time, it did not mean that altcoins did not move at all. Altcoins significantly, some of them rallied from millions of market cap to billions of market cap, because money can get out of a coin and get into something else, because you do not know who are the investors and who is going to decide at what point that they want to take their money out from a coin when they make a lot of money and get into another coin and pump that coin. Okay, so that's why still I would not say that this is going to be a boring time for us. We might not see crazy rallies, but it depends on what coins you own. You're going to probably see a lot of your coins are going to rally a lot randomly. Okay, that's why I told my members, and we are buying it still, although I said that we can still see in the last video, I said that this look like with the last bull run, when we were around $69,000. Go ahead and watch this video. Also, in average, we had dropped 30%. So go ahead and watch this video as well. But it does not have to happen. I also mentioned that because every cycle can be different, have a little bit of differences. But in average, I looked at 2 last cycles, 2017, 2021, and this time can have similarities, but it does not have to be the same. Okay, but again, I just told my members that maximum, the worst case scenario, even if we go higher than what happened in here for BTC dominance, we can see either BTC dropping in price, but altcoins dropping even more. That's why BTC dominance is going to still go higher. But it does not have to, as I'm just comparing to the last bull run, it does not have to happen like that. So I'm just gonna, something similar to this can happen. Like something like this, just go up, down, and then start dropping. Okay, so this can happen same as what happened here. Okay, but and let's just go back to what happened when we were around here, right? We put this line aside from here. This is where BTC almost topped temporarily, and as I mentioned in the last video, it went down almost from 51,600-ish down to $28,000. So over 32, almost 32%. And this is the pullback I was talking about in the previous one. Okay, but then started going higher, and look at what the difference is between the height of these. So when we were around here, USDT was around here. Okay, and we went higher for USDT dominance. As I said, USDT dominance goes higher, BTC goes down, right? We went lower for BTC, but it started going a lot higher. But look at the difference between the length of these, how much the difference is. You see, from here to here, there's not that much percentage difference. But from here, from this top to this top, there's a lot of differences. You see that? Okay, what I'm trying to say is, if you guys remember, I kept mentioning that as we get to the last year of bull run, the market gets bigger and bigger. That's where you guys see that market cap, total market cap keeps growing and goes higher because more people FOMOing in with any pullback that BTC gets. Okay, even if we just say that we're just gonna go down to almost 80,000, 75,000, even lowest point to like $74,000, we can still go higher and make higher high, even if this something like this can happen. We can see going higher for USDT dominance and BTC drops, and then even if we go back to this level, we can see higher high for BTC price this time. So even if we see something like this, let's say from here, we go like I'm just going to talk about the most drop, okay? And then we can easily make higher high for BTC, right? We just move this. We can see easily up to maybe even $130,000, and we can see something similar to this if that happens. And at the same time, USDT would look like something like this. We go higher, maybe up to this level, okay? And then go down to this level. Even if there is not going to be that much difference, even if we get to this support again, we can still see the difference in here. Same as what happened in here, right? The last bull run. We did not have that much difference on the drop of USDT, but we saw a lot more rally for BTC. Okay, so this can happen. But I am not saying that $104,000 is the top, but temporary it can be. Okay, I'm not here to really judge it. I'm just giving you guys scenario. You guys decide what you want to consider. Okay, a lot of the YouTubers are really mentioning that we are around here. If you want to consider like just what it looks like at where we are comparing to where we were around here, but this I do not agree. Okay, because we were topped around 19,400 ish, and around the same level that was the previous all-time high, and it started going higher. But because we have already passed all-time high, previous all-time high, and we are a lot higher, I cannot say that I do agree with that we are around here. So I would say that we are almost around here, which we can confirm it that where BTC dominance has topped. Okay, so we can still have a pullback short term and start going higher, which USDT supports that idea still. Okay, it shows that we can see still this support. And I'm gonna go back and show you guys what happened in here, that we got this rally-based rally, and around the same level we topped temporary for BTC, and we saw $65,000 around this time. Okay, and it was at the same time that we had bottomed for this support level. Okay, but the difference this time is we have already closed below a lot of candles for many days, or more than a couple of weeks. We are down here, but it does not mean that temporarily cannot go back up above that level. Okay, but at the same time, I'm still very, very bullish for 2025. And as I said, even if we see that BTC dominance goes back up, I am still optimistic about this market, and I think that we're going to see a lot of rally. That's why I'm still saying that none of these are financial advice, but I get into a lot of coins because we're going to see randomly, same as these zigzag for a couple of months. Even if we have a couple of months of boringness for altcoins and Bitcoin, we can see there's still a lot of random coins take some attention and still pump, even if we do not see significant rally for a lot of altcoins. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. Make sure that you guys are subscribed, hit the notification button, comment down below what you think, share this video for sure. These are very good stuff that a lot of people do not cover. And make sure that you watch my previous videos and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.